5 makeup tips for Instagram model influencers. When it comes to makeup tips for Instagram model influencers, there are specific must-dos to draw in the most followers. If done the right way, a model can grab a ton of attention in a very little amount of time. Social media is a great platform for aspiring models to get noticed and rise to the top of the ranks as long as others feel the content is interesting enough to grab their attention. Makeup tips for Instagram model influencers include daring to try new yet doable trends that followers will both be awed by and be able to try themselves, as well as the ability to post step-by-step tutorials. Instagram is all about attracting followers who want to emulate an influencer's lifestyle, and part of this lifestyle is the model's look. Tutorials a great way to connect with those visiting your pages by letting them know you're real, you're not afraid to put your before and after self out there, and you genuinely want to help others achieve your oh-so-trendy look. Makeup tips for Instagram model influencers might also include how to pick the proper foundation, where to apply it, how to blend, and how to accent the look with bronzers and blush. Posting a whole tutorial on the perfect eye makeup or how to achieve an influencer-worthy pout with lip tint and gloss are a couple of options. Fans will likely want to see your best natural look, dramatic night out palette, best attempt at cat eyes, and how to select the best hues for your skin tone. Makeup tips for Instagram model influencers include posting forward-focused looks with timeless appeal. These include looks that make sense but are at the same time fashion-forward and a bit out of the box. Fans will want to see how they can create a trendy look that maybe hasn't yet hit the streets and how great it can look in selfies. Being able to access your page feels like getting insider knowledge into what's up and coming. Influencers are expected to have an understanding of what will be all that in the near future. Makeup tips for Instagram model influencers not only include applying makeup and sharing the steps, but to really boost activity, models might choose to market particular brands in the process or promote a certain platform that they're passionate about. In integrating a few shoutouts once a page has reached a certain level of visibility and reputability, models can make a few bucks in the process. This might mean including a few posts crediting a brand, or remember to take a minute to include the info in each video. If cosmetic companies love what they see, they'll likely reach out. There are many makeup tips for Instagram model influencers that a social media guru might follow in order to quickly build a reputation in the entertainment industry and beef up their modeling portfolio. Having access on cyberspace tends to lead to in-person opportunities as well. All it takes is some initiative and a bit of beauty know-how. To learn more, feel free to sign up for our free virtual open call. On this free virtual open call, you will learn about the recent changes in the modeling and acting industries that is opening the doors for more job opportunities. You will learn cutting-edge ways to gain access to a steady stream of high-paying modeling and acting jobs in your local area. You will also learn how to receive continued online training workshops that will prepare you for that big audition or casting call. Click the link below to register now.